If you need to cancel a pending transaction with Chase Bank, follow these steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Log into your Chase account. Access your Chase Bank account by visiting the official website or using the mobile app. Enter your username and password to log in securely. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, locate the Account section. Click on the account associated with the pending transaction. Look for the Transactions or Activity tab to view your recent transactions. Step 3. Identify the pending transaction. Scroll through your list of transactions to find the one that is pending. Pending transactions are usually marked clearly. Click on the transaction for more details. Step 4. Review cancellation options. Check if there is an option to cancel the transaction. Some transactions may allow you to cancel directly from this screen. If available, follow the prompts to cancel the transaction. Step 5. Contact customer service if necessary. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your pending transactions with Chase Bank. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer support for help.